Before we start the video, make sure you check the description to join our giveaways.
Blockchain innovation is being proclaimed as the following huge thing in various ventures. While the maximum capacity of this innovation is yet to be uncovered, it is as of now certain that blockchain has the ability to reform the manner in which we carry on with work. Vechain is an organization utilizing blockchain to change the extravagance products industry. With an incredible experienced group and design titans as accomplices, it has previously created all-in-all a ruckus. Assuming you're keen on the undertaking's investigation and the Vetcoin cost expectation, then continue to peruse. Vechain Overview. Vechain is a blockchain stage that empowers organizations to construct decentralized applications, dApps, and manage exchanges with more prominent straightforwardness and security. With its blockchain-based arrangements, Vechain expects to address the difficulties of forging, inventory network the board, and information honesty. By permitting organizations to follow their items and resources on the blockchain, Vechain gives a sealed answer for organizations and upgraded straightforwardness for buyers. What is Vechain Vet? Vechain is a disseminated record innovation (DLT) stage that spotlights on improving on-store network the executives. The framework uses a blend of Internet of Things, IoT, gadgets and blockchain innovation to give perceivability, discernibility, and genuineness for organizations and buyers the same. The stage was intended to zero in on the issues of forging and extortion in the production network industry. By utilizing the Vechain blockchain stage, organizations can follow the provenance of their items and guarantee that they are certified. Also, the stage can be utilized to follow the development of merchandise and data through the production network. Subsequently, organizations can acquire more noteworthy perceivability into their tasks and work on their capacity to oversee risk. The Vechain blockchain stage gives an integral asset to organizations that need to follow the provenance of their items and guarantee their realness. Maybe the most interesting part of Vechain is its foundation, which permits organizations to send off their own computerized tokens and raise finances through beginning coin contributions. This adaptability makes Vechain an alluring choice for organizations hoping to smooth out their stockpile chains and tap into the prospering universe of crypto resources. With its solid group of guides and accomplices, Vechain is strategically situated to proceed with its development in the years to come. Radiant Liu, ex-CIO of Louis Vuitton China, laid out the Vechain Group in 2015. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. The task is controlled by Vechain Foundation, a not-for-profit established in Singapore in 2017. On the Vechain organization, there are two particular tokens, Vechain Token, VET, already VEN, and Vechain Thor Energy, VTHO. The previous is utilized as gas or energy to influence exchanges utilizing brilliant agreements, and the last option is used to send cash across the Vechain organization. The VEN token was initially sent off on the Ethereum blockchain, however later progressed to its own mainnet and changed its ticker image as a component of the rebranding system. Who possesses the Vechain crypto? The Vechain Group was established in 2015 by Louis Vuitton China's previous CIO, Sunny Liu. They have workplaces in Shanghai, Singapore, and Paris. What was VET's unsurpassed high? The Vechain cost history made some all-memories high of $8.2618 in January 2018. In those days, it utilized the VEN image. Might the Vechain at any point Vetcoin reach $1? The digital currency market is famously unpredictable, and foreseeing future costs is dependably a test. Notwithstanding, in view of latest things, it appears to be conceivable that Vechain could reach $1 inside the following little while. The Vechain stage has been acquiring notoriety among organizations and engineers, and its cost had been consistently ascending before the crypto winter started. With additional organizations embracing Vechain for inventory network the executives and different applications, request is probably going to keep on developing. Assuming that this pattern lives on, Vechain could without much of a stretch reach $1 or considerably higher inside the following couple of years. Obviously, anything can occur in the crypto market, so this is in no way, shape or form an assurance. In any case, Vechain gives off an impression of being situated for a long-haul achievement, and $1 appears to be a reasonable objective soon. Vechain Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Vechain costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Vechain will be $0.035. The greatest level that the vet cost can reach is $0.039. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.036. Vet price forecast for September 2022. In view of the value variances of Vechain toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical vet pace of $0.033 in September 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.030 and at $0.034, separately. October 2022, Vechain price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their conjecture for the vet cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.033, while the greatest could reach $0.036 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Vechain may be around $0.034. Vet price forecast for November 2022. Crypto examiners have really taken a look at the value variances of Vechain in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal vet rate they foresee may be around $0.036 in November 2022. It can drop to $0.034 as a base. The greatest worth may be $0.037. December 2022, Vechain price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the vet cost will be exchanged at $0.036 by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Vechain worth to $0.039. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $0.035 in December 2022. Vechain price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Vechain in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Vechain will be around $0.053. The most extreme expected vet cost might be around $0.064. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $0.055 in 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Vechain, in 2024, vet is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about 0.